Welcome to our classes. I am Dr. K.K. Mishra. I welcome you all to my YouTube channel. On this particular video tutorial on multiple choice questions on marketing management part 5. Now come to the questions. Question number 1. Digital marketing is the same as 1. Online marketing, 2. Cross-selling, 3. Website designing, 4. Road shows, 5. Door-to-door marketing. Correct option here is 1. Online marketing. 2. Service marketing is resorted to in 1. All MNCs, 2. All production houses, 3. Industrial units, 4. Insurance companies and banks, 5. Fish markets. Here correct option is 4. Insurance companies and banks. 3. Customization results in 1. Customer exit, 2. Customer retention, 3. Customer complaints, 4. Better balance sheet figures, or 5. Better technology. Here correct option is 4. Better balance sheet figures. 4. The sole aim of marketing is to 1. Improve the balance sheet figures, 2. Increase recruitments, 3. Increase profits, 4. Increase production, 5. Increase branch network. Here correct option is 3. Increase profit. 5. Efficient marketing style requires 1. Proper planning, 2. Good debating skills, 3. Arrogant staff, 4. Knowledge of many languages, 5. Ignorant customers. Here correct option is 2. Good debating skills. 6. Target group means 1. All employers, 2. All salespersons, 3. Intended buyers, 4. All industries, 5. Call center persons. Correct option here is 3. Intended buyers. 7. Push marketing style requires 1. Collective effort, 2. Good pushing strength, 3. Lengthy talks, 4. Ability to identify the leads, 5. Aggressive marketing. The correct option is 1. Collective effort. 8. Web marketing involves 1. Selling websites, 2. Door-to-door marketing, 3. Email chatting, 4. Browsing the LOPs, 5. Web advertisements. Here correct option is 5. Web advertisements. Question number 9. The task of marketing involves 1. Opening new branches, 2. Buying a company, 3. Selling a company, 4. Selling products and services of a company, 5. Mergers. The correct option is 4. Selling products and services of a company. Question number 10. Market space means 1. Place where goods are sold, 2. Trade fairs and meals, 3. Road shows, 4. Scope available for selling, 5. Competition. The correct option is 4. Scope available for selling. Question number 11. Which one of the following is not a target group for saving accounts? 1. Sell lead persons, 2. Loss-making companies, 3. Doctors, 4. Government employees, 5. Insurance agents. The correct option is 2. Loss-making companies. 12. Target group for home loan is 1. Existing creditors, 2. Persons having no house of their own, 3. Persons having one or more than one house, 4. Builders, or 5. NRIs. Correct option is 2. Persons having no house of their own. 13. Digital marketing is similar to 1. Cold calling, 2. Web designing, 3. Online marketing, 4. Market for cost, 5. Outdoor marketing. Correct option here is 3. Online marketing. 4. Full form of DSA is dash 1. Delivery staff agency, 2. Direct selling agency, 3. Distributors and supplies agency, 4. Driving sales ahead, 5. None of the above. Correct option is 2. Direct selling agency. Viewers, let me tell you that by and large all the correct options are highlighted here in this video tutorial in each question. In case of any discrepancy found anywhere, I will be correcting through my narration. Question number 15. In online marketing there is dash 1. Only warranty, 2. No exchange, 3. Exchange is the core of marketing, 4. Guarantee, 5. None of the above. Correct option is 1. Only warranty. 16. Which of the following is a part of marketing? 1. The process of creating pricing, 2. Distribution, 3. Promotion, 4. All of these. 5. None of these. Correct option is 4. All of these. 17. Marketing involves 1. Product, 2. Program, 3. Problem, 4. All of these, 5. None of these. Here correct option is 1. Product. 18. A total system of interacting business activities designed to plan, price, promote and distribute want satisfying products and services to present and potential customers. 1. A system of production, 2. A system of accounting, 3. A product, 4. All of these, 5. None of these. Here correct option is 4. All of these. 19. Which is the essential of marketing? 1. Marketing is a human activity. 2. Marketing is a product. 3. Marketing is a knowledge. 4. All of these. 5. None of these. Correct option here is 1. Marketing is a human activity. 20. Marketing includes 1. Consumer-oriented process, 2. Certain market, 3. Socio-economic activity, 4. All of these, 5. None of these. Correct option is 4. All of these. 21. Which is oblique are the functions of marketing? 1. Pricing of goods and services, 2. Promotion, 3. Marketing research, 4. Product development, 5. All of these. Here correct option is 5. All of these. 22. What is the basis of marketing? 1. Exchange, 2. Net sales and net profit, 3. Profit, 4. Packaging, 5. All of these. So obviously here correct one is 1. Exchange. 23. Marketing is required in banks due to 1. Computerization, 2. Increase in population, 3. Globalization, 4. Government dictates, 5. None of these. Correct option is 3. Globalization. 24. Marketing is a social economic activity because 1. Marketing is related with social satisfaction, 2. It is a social person, 3. It is a corporate citizen, 4. All of these, 5. None of these. Correct option is 1. Marketing is related with a social satisfaction. 25. Certain market means 1. The place where functions of marketing is exercised, 2. Future market, 3. Present market, 4. All of these, 5. None of these. Here correct option is 1. The place where functions of marketing is exercised. 26. Which is the subject matter of marketing? 1. Machine, man, money, 2. Product or service, 3. Capital, 4. Brand, 5. Place. The correct option is 2. Product or service. 27. Marketing is 1. A day-to-day function, 2. A one-off affair, 3. A one-man show, 4. A collective process, 5. None of these. Correct option is 4. A collective process. 28. Which is the subject matter of marketing? 1. Man, 2. Labor, 3. Planning, 4. Word, 5. Goods and services. Here correct option is 5. Goods and services. 29. Rural marketing is related to 1. Book, 2. Car, 3. Rural product like agricultural tools, 4. Mobile, 5. TV. Correct option is 3. Rural product like agricultural tools. 30. Which is the feature of rural market? 1. Number of consumer, 2. High income, 3. Educated population, 4. High living standard, 5. None of these. Here correct option is 1. Number of consumers. So all about this particular video tutorial. I hope that you have liked it, and if you have liked it, please do not forget to subscribe my YouTube channel R Classes, and if you have any issue you can write to my email rclasses@gmail.com and pass it on to others, those who are needy now and in the future. Thank you. Please like, share and do subscribe. Thank you very much. Have a nice time. Best of luck.